Hey everyone, it's Justin from Blackberry Creative, and today I want to go through some ways where you can implement design into your business and how you can increase sales, increase engagement just through the use of design. So design has the power to do a lot of things. Good design can help increase engagement with your customers. It can increase brand loyalty, which can last for generations. Just look at Nike, Adidas, all the big brands. From a child, people fall in love with the brand, and until they're adult, they still use it, and then they pass that on to their children, pick that up, and so on and so on and so on. It just can last forever. Bad design can also have big impact on your brand. It can misinterpret your brand message, decrease sales if it's not engaging with its customers, or it's not standing out more than your competitors. It can also have negative consequences if not done right. So here are some areas in your business where good design can have some positive implications. The first thing is to start with good branding. If you've got a good, strong brand identity to begin with, it follows through for the rest of your marketing collateral, and it's just a lot easier to apply across different mediums. So creating a brand with a strong logo, strong brand assets that mirror your business vision, your business morals and values. This is just a lot easier to implement and keep consistent across different forms of media, whether it's print or web. So number 2 is improve your website's user experience. So with design, just by putting yourself in your customer's shoes or the user's shoes, you can see see any pain points or any issues that can come up when you're navigating through your website or purchasing anything on your website. It just allows you to see through their eyes any issues that frustrate them or annoy them, which are stopping them from making those buying decisions, or stopping them from entering their details for more information, or stopping them from calling you or emailing you for a quote. It's a great way to make sure the site is as efficient as possible. So number 3 is using design within your point of sales material. Sometimes the final hurdle for your product's sales cycle is its point of sale material. That last, or where that customer engages with your product or service to make that buying decision at the end. You can give yourself the best chance for a decent design. Having design that reflects your branding, as I said as number 1, that consistent message will come through within this point of sales material, and your customer will relate to the brand. It's not just the product. They'll see the product and relate it to the brand, your values for the brand, what your brand stands for, and just help further make that decision easier, when they're purchasing. So number 4 is digital ads, and as you know, it's so easy to use social media and their advertising platforms to reach a lot of people. It's just more important now than ever to have solid creative that is to the point, eye-catching, and engages with the audience. Now, as a culture, we are so used to having so much different things showing on our screens, on our phones, that it's so hard to grab the attention. So creating creative ads and using creative to be innovative and really capture attention and get as many eyeballs as you can on your ad or your post. This is where design can be utilized and get those people seeing your message. So yeah, they're my quick 4 tips on how to use design within your business. Um, as long as you use good design, it will help you in the long run. Uh, but bad design can be very costly. So keep that in mind. And yeah, if you need any help or have any questions, feel free to send me an email, info@blackbearcreative.com.au. And yeah, until the next time, I'll see you later.